Good morning guys, I'm getting ready for work in my new filming room. I thought I would just quickly get on here, chat with you guys a little bit while I get ready and just fill you guys in on what's been going on. So let's get started. I'm just going to pin my hair back real quick. I still need to dry it. I have about half an hour to get ready and that's including clothes, hair, all of that. I don't do much with my hair. It is pretty short. I did cut it, so all I need to do is just dry it. But I'm going to start out with my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. So I know you guys can still hear a lot of echo, and that is because I don't have any carpets in this room or any sort of rugs. It's still a work in progress. I work out of this room in the sense that, like, when I'm working from home, I do use this as my office, and it's going to be like that as a setup. But yeah, it's got really high ceilings, so the echo is a bit more than normal, which is fine. I love this room. And it's perfect because it's like at the end of the house. It's like a corner, and it's separate corners, so like nobody else gets disturbed. I don't get any sounds when I'm filming and stuff. I haven't had much chance in filming yet, which is fine. I'm still sort of getting into the rhythm of things. I've set up my main camera at the back, but I still haven't turned it on because I still haven't connected my monitors or anything like that. And I don't have control of what I can see because it's quite far away. But my lights are connected, which is great. We do get decent lighting. I'm still using my vlog camera to film right now, which is my Sony ZV-1. For foundation, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. This is in the shade 240. And I think I'm going to actually use a brush and then smooth it out with my sponge. So yeah, we've been sort of slowly settling in. We do have a couch now. We didn't have a couch for about 3.5 weeks, which honestly, like, we didn't realize how important, not important, but like how accustomed we were to it. Like, honestly, we would not feel relaxed at all, like, because, you know, like, your best mode of resting was on the bed or something like that. So we did have a lot of chairs because at one point we had like 3 dining tables in the house, and in that house, like, I mean, like, we had 1 outdoor dining table. We bought a new one here, and then we had the one from our old house. So we did have a lot of chairs, just not a couch to sort of sit and relax on. So, like, we didn't even invite a lot of friends over to sort of see the place because, well, where are we gonna sit them, right? But yeah, we finally have a couch and we feel very, very relaxed finally. Sorry, I just went in with my Lasting Fix setting spray, and now I'm going to smooth it all out with my sponge. But yeah, so we've finally sort of rested and stuff, and like our unpacking has gone down significantly. Like, we've pretty much unpacked everything we need to sort of live comfortably, and then the rest is just sort of things that we can get to. Our garage is still, like, it's got a lot of stuff in our garage, so we need to sort of figure that out. But like, our weekends come and go, and we don't even realize it. It's been so hectic. And then we also got sick, both of us, me a little bit more than him. He thought he had allergies, but turns out he had a cold. I'm going in with my Rimmel Multitasker Concealer in Nude. So he thought he had allergies, but turns out that he had a cold. And when he took the cold medicines and stuff like that, like, he started feeling a little bit better, which is good. I caught a cold. Then we went for Vivid. And mind you, like, I was doing a little bit better when we went for Vivid. Like, I was recovering from the initial onset of the cold. And then we went for Vivid, which is fine. And then I went to work 2 days, and that just sort of made me a lot worse. My cold ended up getting a lot worse, and I'm still recovering. It's been probably 2 weeks now, and I'm frankly very, very sick of my cold. Like, I mean, I'm still very nasally, which is really annoying. I still do have a lot of cough, which is just like so frustrating. It just won't go away. It's so annoying. And I'm really tired of like even taking cold and flu medicine, because at this point I feel like it's not even working. But yeah, so, oh, and then my brother is traveling at the moment, so he went to India, and his flights were sort of like in the middle of the night, and we ended up going to drop him as well. So again, in the cold and everything, you know, like it just doesn't, like, life just happens, you know, and then your body sort of pays for it. But like, it's been a few months of a lot of stress, like, you know, with the house hunting, new job, my mom visiting, and like just balancing all 4 things actually, like also upkeeping, you know, the house that we were living in and stuff. Like, it's just a lot, and I feel like my body is now sort of paying the price for it. And like, my body's best mechanism to sort of fight stress is like, hey, I'm gonna be sick so you can rest, because otherwise I wouldn't rest, which is really annoying. Like, it's a very bad habit on my part. But and then to set my under eyes, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. This is in the shade True Beige. It's a little bit light for me, so I always just use it underneath my eyes, just to give it a little bit extra coverage and brightness. Oh, I finally did my nails too yesterday. I haven't done my nails in probably over 2 months. And I was really lazy to do them yesterday too, but I was like, you know what? I just need to get off my ass and just freaking do my nails. So then it's not my best work, but hey, it's nails. Okay. Yes, I love these sponges. I actually got them from Shein. They're amazing. I'm going, for the rest of my face, I'm going in with my Australia's Fresh and Flawless as usual. I'm not going to do any cream products today. I'm just going to keep it to powder and call it a day. So yeah, I've been wanting to vlog and stuff, but like, I almost didn't have a voice, so that wasn't gonna happen. And I also want to film more, but again, like, just too much crap. And like, weekends we end up spending with friends, and like going, either they come over here or we end up going there, and you know, it's just endless. So yeah, but I think slowly things are getting back into the norm. I'm going to go in with the Essence Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade Sunny. It's very, very light, but you do have to go in with quite a bit of a heavy hand. It's a big pan and I need to use it up, so. And because it's work, it can be like, you know, light and stuff. It smells really good. I really like the smell for this one. I've been wanting to take some time off and just sort of rest and relax, but I'm almost afraid to at this point, because I sort of want to do it after we're done sort of setting up the place, so I can actually relax. I feel like if I take the day off right now, I'm just going to end up unpacking and organizing and God knows what. But we had some friends over this past weekend, and we ended up sort of doing most of the stuff that was indoors. So now majority of the stuff is just in the garage, which over the weekend we'll probably get to it again. But it was nice that we had friends over, because that sort of forced us to like, you know, organize everything in the house. Otherwise I feel like we would have just ended up resting and relaxing again a bit more. Nothing's wrong with that. I feel like we need it, our body needs it as well, but when there's work, I feel like, you know, you've got to get up and just do it. And then for blush, I want to use my L'Oreal Life's Peach blush. I really like this one. It's really nice. And it suits like Indian skin tones, you know? So, and a little bit of it goes a long way. Again, it smells really good. So let's do this one. Oh, I've also been breaking out a lot lately. And I think that's quite a lot to do with, and it's usually around that time of the month, but I think it's also got to do with stress and hormones all together mixed. So my breakouts have been pretty intense of late. I don't know why. Very annoying. And my camera is flashing, so that's pretty annoying as well. Give me 1 minute. So I've plugged it in, and I've also just done my brows off camera. I'm just going to quickly do something light with my eyes, and then we're going to call it a day. Oh, sorry, and lips. I'm going in with my MAC in the Flesh palette, and I'm going to go in with just this shade right here. I'm just conscious that we've used a peachy sort of a blush in my, I'm just conscious that I've used like a peachy blush, and all of these shades in this palette are cool toned, so I just want to make sure that I don't do anything that is going to sort of clash with that. And I'm still actually, you know what, I haven't talked about this in a while, but I'm still actually fighting eczema. How annoying, right? It's just, I need to go for a blood test, and then we're gonna, hopefully he's going to refer me to a dermatologist because I am over it now already. And then I'm just going to go in with the first shade in the palette, this one right here, and I'm just going to apply that on my eyelids, just for a little bit of shimmer. Going back in with the first brush, nothing on it, but I'm just going to, oh, what is going on with my hair? Just going to smooth it out. And there we go. I could use an eyeshadow as an eyeliner, but I don't want to. I don't want to waste my time. And then we're going to quickly set. I'm going to mix two setting sprays. I'm mixing the Lasting Fix with the MAC, what is this? Fix Plus. And I'm just going to sort of dab it in a little bit with the sponge. Alright, so while this is drying, I'm going to quickly do my lip liner. I'm just going in with my NYX lip liner in Nude. Surprise, surprise. And then for lips, I want to go in with the Sweet and Salty matte lip crayon from L'Oreal. Going in with my Maybelline Sky High mascara. Actually, I'm going to go in with like a nudie lip color. This is Trace Sweet, again, same line from L'Oreal. I just feel like this is a little bit too bright, so let's mute it down a little bit. Okay, amazing. And let's take this out. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I'm going to quickly go and get ready, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys had fun learning what I've been up to in the past month, how I've been coping with the new move, with the new house and the move and everything, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos and more makeup videos coming up soon. So yeah, I hope you will consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care you guys. Bye.